my YouTube channel. This is another my video channel. Sometimes manifestation can make you unhappy. Sometimes the law of attraction and how people use it. So I would say abuse it. It is actually contributing a lot of unhappiness, unfulfillment that most people have in their life. Easiest way I can illustrate to this point in with a quick story. You can relate it to this. Remember when you were in the elementary school and you saw the big kids, the fifth grades, the fourth grades, right? Think about them. All you wanted to do was one of them, so you could kick the ball really far because they look really cool. And once you got the fifth grade, what did you see? Bigger kids. You'd got a partling game that you had a little Lego game. And the sixth grades or the middle schooler would come out. You're like, once I get the middle schooler, that's really where I need to be. Of course, in 80th grade, you wanted to be out of it and go to the high school and all throughout school. You are just wanting to rise up the rank so you can go to the senior year, and then the school is it's mine. I'm the big man on the totem pole most of senior year. You are not like that. So because you're thinking of college, I can get a senior year and the school is mine. In the big moment, the big man on the most of senior year, you are not like that. Too, because you are thinking of the college. The funny thing, when I went to the college, all I wanted to get out of the college so I could make the full video on YouTube. When I went to the college, all I wanted to was to get out of the college so I could make the video full time, make YouTube video full time. There's always that the next thing we're going after, and it's a trap that really easy for the human mind. If you know anything about psychology, to fall into human beings are never contents with where we are now. This is great because this is what drives innovation. The reason we improve things, the reason we level up phones, the reason we level out phones every single year. They come out with the new model because it's never good enough. We are not satisfied and largely apply to you. The reason you are watching this video because you know always that the next thing to improve on. But what's my point? Back to the story, when you talk to people, what do they reminds you about the good old days in their 20s? Hard to know when you are in the good old days until after they happen. No, I'm not saying to be negative with you, and I think the best is yet to come. Absolutely. My point is with this are manifesting, right? This is a This is a hook block that show up for them and actually block the manifestation from happening because they are trying to get something so they can feel a certain way. Just like you were the high school trying to get to the college so you could finally feel like you were the king of the totem pole, queen of the world. And then once you graduate, you can start earning money so you can finally have financial freedom. And this is red race that we talk about never end. Now we have the two things up here. We have something called dopamine. There's a neurotransmitter in your brain that's basically the pleasure center. When you do something good, when you play a video game, you get dopamine. When you are watching content, when you have new ideas going up, you get dopamine. Now there's several other, but for the simplicity, let's just keep it one, believe it or not. This is a huge driver of what people want to manifest. When you think of what most people want to manifest, when you thinking of most people want is like they wanted to relationship, they wanted the money, they want to feel good internally or externally. They're trying saying, if I want to feel good, dopamine, the two needs we have is to avoid pain and seek the pleasure. And really this advance of pain, we think. If we have the absence of pain, then we'll have a pleasure. Now let's take what you want to manifest. If we're having conversation right now, I'm gonna literally ask you. Let's just take a really simple one here. It's not all about money and business, but let's just go with this. It's easy. This is the first stage of starting an idea or starting a business. The hit dopamine right there. You got the hit dopamine right there because you are getting up on all the emotions. Oh, I can dream big, and I can be on my own boss, and I can have the freedom and all that, right? And then it's kind of goes down like that. And when you realize how hard it is, and when you realize how hard is this, when you push through this thought, you actually start. And when you realize how hard it is, when you pass through this thought, you actually start to make it succeed. You know, its heart is up to and down, it has up yours. If you achieve a goal, you get a little hit. My point is, yes, you get a hook hit of dopamine when you complete a goal. I remember when I wanted to hit 100,000 subscriber on YouTuber, and I remember the moment that I did and felt really good. I got the big hike. Yes, I repress it 100,000 subscriber and get a play button shipped to my doors. This like egoic things like I manifest this and that I felt really good for short period of time. I was in Egypt and literally like the next day I was thinking them. 100,000 subscriber, alright? 250, then I feel really good. Now the cycle kind of repeats and hit, and now I am like 500,000, and we hit it really fast. Now in my head, even just being honest with you, this is trick that we play. I'm like, a million. That's going to be the number that a nom gold play button. And I can like, yeah, I got million subscriber, right? But I want to flip this one. It's head. This is the most important part of the video. Why I am setting this up for you. Notice one thing about this chart. Is up for you. We got two phases. This is what I call the end of result. And this is what the most people want to manifest. They say I can be what I call the end of the result. Okay, this is what most people want to manifest. They say I can be happy when I have the end result. I have the end result that I'm going after. You follow. Alright. Look at this. This is the phase called the process. This is the call of the process. This is why you are manifesting the thing to get a result. You still have a lot of that dopamine going up in your brain. Is still pleasurable to work on your goals, even if you don't have it yet. And the main thing that's crazy, when you are look at this, if you add up hits of dopamine, pleasure, or whatever you're getting along the way, that will surface on this chart, right? Probably be up there, be up here, and that's peak, accumulated over the journey. Actually, the way of outweighs that one a little peak, right? That you get to the end result. So now, is it fair to say what you really wanted? Because what you really want, when you study people who are successful, or you study people manifest, or look at back on your life of anything you are actually gotten or received. Wasn't the process the best part? Yeah, this is actually what you want along the way. I was just journaling on this morning. In Buddhism, they have noble truths. Basically, to escape the wheel is what they call it's called it of samsara. A quote. In nutshell, it's pretty much going. What this is, what he desire itself. If only focusing on the end result, it was causing you suffering. Be here now. Enjoy it. Be in the moment here. Because this is our a little hits. that you are missing along the way. You are missing along the way. Most people, when they think about happiness in this chart, they say, okay, I'll be happy when right, like I said, when I get college, when I graduate high school, when I get to the middle school, when I get this, and there's always that the next step. And that's when a lot of people who are manifesting or using the law of attraction approach it from, and they are like, yes, I want to the relationship, I'll be happy when I have it. And yeah, you'll be happy when you have it by this. And yeah, you will be happy when you have it by this standard. It's been said that happiness is the brief moment in between changing desires. Happiness is the brief moment that you allow yourself to feel that win, to feel like you earned something, you manifest them, you are the badass. So my point, maybe you already living the dream, or maybe you want is not this.